Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car, and we've got a cool one for you today. A couple days ago, I was just sitting in my office, and Gabe walks in with this speed shape, and he goes, hey, check out this color. And I'm like, dude, what the hell is this? And he's like, I just made it. I'm like, well, what the heck did you mix? He's like, I mixed together Flex Blue and Electric Lime Green. I just had a funny feeling it was gonna look awesome. And I'm like, dude, we have got to do this full scale. I love this color. It's super unique. Today we're dropping it on my RS6, the older RS6. Enjoy the video. All right, guys, we are all done with today's project. And I know we use a lot of metallics and pearls and crazy color shifts on this channel, but sometimes you mix up a simple, solid color and it just comes out perfect. And for me, that's exactly what this color is. It's unique, it's beautiful. The only problem is we cannot decide on what we should name it. So after you see it outside here in just a second, I want you to leave a comment below and let me know what you think we should name this color. If you want to dip your own car, we have a ton of car kits to choose from. Click right up here. It'll include everything you need to get the job done. Let's go outside. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I'll see you on the next one. He's like, hey, check out this color. And I'm like, dude, what the hell is this? And he's like, I mixed together, I forgot what it was. The only problem is we cannot figure out what we should name it. So after you see it outside, I want you to leave a comment below and let me know what color, what am I saying? A simple, solid color, and it just comes out perfect. Fire alarm, that is perfect timing.